Restore Point is a detective story from the future of Central Europe. Basically, it is great time, 20 years ahead, and everybody has this right to new technology that allows you, in a case when you are killed, a car hits you on the street, or somebody shoots you, whatever happens. The next day you are revived, restored, and you just wake up as nothing has happened. And we just follow ambitious detective story and kind of finding out what this new technology brings to the world. Like, how does it change? How does the society gets changed? Because suddenly everybody lacks the fear of death. Since I was very little, I think I kind of dreamed of live as long as I can, because I kind of felt that the more time I would have in my life, the more I can experience. And one day my friend came to me, and we did some short movies together before, and he has this idea of futuristic film from Europe that will be very different from the American production, and very grounded, and we really wanted to take the futuristic vision as realistically as possible. And it featured this technology that allows you to live longer. So it kind of felt like a perfect story for me, and I really felt in love with that. Yeah, well, from Prague you can see quite a few buildings there. We tried to push the landscape a little bit into the more futuristic setting, but we always started from the buildings and streets that we have in Prague, and you definitely can see Pražského povstání, which is very interesting, brutalist kind of setting. You also can see Kotva, which is a very famous shopping mall in Prague, but now its futuristic architecture has been pushed 20 years ahead, and now it serves as a police headquarters. And also, many streets you can even see the National Theatre, and many others. Well, it's a great honor for me, and of course, I love British cinema, and I just feel like, showing this, it's my first movie, and we originally thought it's going to be a very small movie, but as we pitched the idea and people started to be very interested in the movie, it just grew a little bit better, and I could never dream of being shown here in BFI IMAX. And so yeah, for me it's a great day, and I'm really looking forward to that movie.